Ekenekwa m gị Igbo ndị omena ga-emetụ ebe ọ bụla na masị m udo dịla onye ọbụla. Biko achọrọ m ka unu forward all Jpac this video. You can also tag ya na the comment section. Tag him massively in the comment section because now there was something I need to chip in, and this is what I've been crying for ever since day one. This has been what I've been clamoring for, because now no matter how many Biko be here you. And I so much want to thank Seaman Global for your my live video yesterday night. No matter how actually no matter how actually the man kept hammering on your for forgiveness. Your no matter how it takes, no matter how you look foolish or childish. This is what we send, this is what we end this Tenaga on. Because now I only head on one now. When they like again, like a Ogechi Okeke. When they like again, like a and what would be the biggest problem here when in this life is that now, that like again, Moluzia in the center, that like in the center of negotiation of something you look at. That like in the center of negotiation of something you look at. That is when you will not understand what you should have done earlier. That is when you understand he questioned earlier. Because now from maybe Ogagi sini like Ogagi Mr. Seaman Global, he like the man. The man no eku na ha malege sigena na he man, and I so much respect this man because now this man knows God. This man knows and value the things of God. Anu kwambe na ase na chukwu nna biko nye gudi ego onwe mana nye na gudi obi onwe. This is you now asking for what money can buy, and without understanding that now Bible says, and the gift of God maketh one rich and adds no sorrow. That gift of God that maketh one rich is that obia ochukunanyelia. It can only be God. That is obia ochukunanyelia that made him rich and did not add sorrow in his life. He don't know ego inkia ego onwe without a children. See, my brother, let me tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. Forget about all this online paparazzi sajolo. They are not telling you the truth. 90% of them want what you have. 90% of these people want what you have. Because now I'm on the comment section yesterday. A lot of people on the comment section now say Ekwena are the same people now on other platforms. I saw it with my eyes. Those people now say they will do this, they will do that, are the same people who fuel this saga. They are this particular set of people who fuel do to now. And you on your own part, you will say na wakada young one. Only him bag for business that's saying in one humble again. Your biko. Oh hebona. Yes, I should me my ben no major. Your biko. I know people will say I'm the foolish or I'm marrying Neko, but deep down in you cool down in you because I'm going to hear me literally repeated it before saying ego. People will think that people will think because of the kind of massive turnout here from the mighty, the kind of massive turnaround here from the rich, the kind of massive turnaround here from the people that matters, you will be shocked. Because now, whether we like it or not, when the all have a mark register in this saga, when the all have a mark register, they are marking that register and they are checking. Kamalekena onya onwe in this type of situation. Kamalekena ode mmadu onya anu abu. Ihe anu wana eme accuse of normalia. Kedu ode mmadu, can this person also do this thing in situation like this? Every year no man na mark register is 1 year later, 2 years later. Mboku ya bazibe everywhere die go down. And somebody knows that in the front of negotiation between you and a contract you give. Afage we pata. Always onye di ha. In so year 2024. Enwele ihe mmadu ku keko street okwu a, go back and make investigation ka amalu. Along the line I said na nekwa ka onye asimo okwu aga okwu aga ka okwu ndị INEC na APC. let me tell you what will happen. The person will say, yes, I'm not the good. I'm not but I don't need this kind of person. That is when you understand the meaning of there's a difference between what you want and what you need. Now, what you needed so much now is to calm situation down. Because now in our Bible of when we hear in Job chapter 3 verse 25, the Bible says, Job was crying or wasn't that what I feared most has come upon me, and what I dreaded most has overcome me. However, again, there was a time in the life of Job when he feared poverty, when he fears to go broke, when he fears sickness, when he fears that everything he labored for will go away. And those things keeps happening. When they started happening in his life, when he went down and was crying, said that everything that he feared the most in his life has come upon me. And that has been my biggest fear in this saga. Because now everything you labored the most to get. And when Simon Global and Asena, that was a time something he built to go for years. Everything you labored for is being attacked now. Everything is labored for. Everything you enter the rain, the sun, that you labored for over the years is gradually being attacked. You may not feel it now. You may not feel it now because the Bible says, about the day the meeting was held upon Job, that is when the suffering of Job started. About that day, because there was a meeting ahead of in the life of Job. About that day, Job will be the crumble. It just started like overnight, everything. Oh, heaven. Just for example, madam, you were 30 million. Now your account or 50 million. You just see another. That night I had not. The following day, office got 2 days bank food. The next minute phone gave food. The following in the next 1 hour before 12 p.m. sickness. Before 5 p.m. your wife rush you to emergency. That is how the chaos started in the life of Job. Under the tinkle of an eye, everything he labored for came crushing. So my brother, let me tell you, you comment section now. You do yourself the biggest good. If your friend around you and you fed for it, you will be the most onyegini use to dump one. But you do yourself the best good in again, man. Oh, you have to forget about it, man. Then you follow this word Ogagi Wage. Say again, I've heard you saying a lot of things. The most important thing like about that young man who is that he knows God and he fears God. He will not lie to you. He will not lie to you. There are so many ways to success. There are so many ways to life. But you never forget that now. Only the reason why Bible is now Jesus Christ the way, Jesus Christ the truth, Jesus Christ the life. All of them are way. You cannot go seeking for Jesus Christ the way and forgetting the truth and the life. That is where problem comes in life. You cannot seek Jesus Christ the life, forgetting Jesus Christ the way and the truth. 3 of these things must be accompanied together to fulfill everything in a channel one. After so many enders and wine, I'm going to the reason why you have so many enemies. I came out and I kicked against it. So many as and one welcomed you. Ndokijana are taking responsibility to hear and make it. A lot of them are taking responsibilities. A lot of people naturally got down today so that again make you feel you have feel. Despite knowing that a lot of them are money while he's but they wish you to go down because they felt that you're a problem to them. So this is the right opportunity to help with it. Mandana supply information about Ogechi and her family. Mandana supply in can, Mandana supply in cause. Form a deaf ear. Form a deaf ear because almost story man and mother na call Mosina. A man na alienu. Ndị mmadụ wee na-eti ya sị ọ ga-apụtawa ịda apụtawa n'enu ahụ na-alị na ya ada. The man gba nkịtị na-alị enu ọ na-alị. ligide wee lilie n'elu ebe ọ na-alị, and that is where he got what he's looking for n'elu ebe ahụ. Mgbe o lichara elu ebe ahụ wee ritue, ndị mmadụ wee na-asị na ọgana anyị na-etili ego mkpu galazi na maka na ya ada. That is when they found out na the man ha na-etili mkpu was actually deaf, because na mgbe the man nọ n'elu netu anya fọ na ndị mmadụ na-etili ya mkpu, he felt that they were clapping for him. So that is what gave him the courage to get to ride on. In this point in time, my brother, form a deaf ears to all these people now around you, because they are not telling you the truth. All of them want what you have. All of them want what you have. They will not tell you this bitter truth. Mana that I have been the one crying since go and beg. Onwe ihe ya wepụ gị n'arụ, ọma mwepụ gị ntutu isi gị n'arụ, ọma mwepụ gị reduce the year of your life, ọma mme gị na nwunye ga akwa na ikuru na akwa, ọma mme gị ka nwunye gị ka ọ na-amasị na mma in your eyes, or ka o si wee maa gị mma n'anya. It will never reduce anything for you, my brother. Go and simply do the right thing this man gwa gị, because no problem emelia before in this Christmas, the kind of place ya nọ, people nwere ike isi na igwọrọ ọgwụ ego just because of one single act. Just because of one single act, amen. I so much love in Hogage Gwagi. If you will take it and run with it, the better for you. At least all Galanya get that advice. We can feel and those and those get that advice. Or Galanya respect you so much, it will Ogagi, but then you get this time of advice. If I were you, all those people who are for negotiation that time, I would reach out to them and say, Hannah, it is time. Let us do this. No carry over. No carry over. A lot of people mocked you in Nigeria because in their mind, I feel that now this man was once a Christian. Against a lot of people around you want your downfall. They want your downfall. And by the time what happened in the life of Job will happen to you, by the time you make it, that is when you will know that somebody somewhere tell you this truth one day. Yotago, you may not like it, or you may not like the messenger, but take the message. God numbers on the Bible.